Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here. Dude, you came all the way from in there. You can't stop crawling now. Please. Come to Daddy. Come on, dude. Go to your little thing. You know you like it. Oh, yeah. Here he comes. Here comes trouble. Stop smiling at Mommy. Just come here. Come here. Come on. Keep coming. Come on, you know you want this thing. Look at it. Look at it. What are you going to do when you get it? Dude, come on. Stop smiling at Mommy. Keep crawling. Good. Where are you headed? Oh my God, you're getting so close to me. What am I going to do? What am I going to do with you? Oh no, you hit the toy away. Oh no. Poor Judah. Uh-oh. He's coming this way. What should we do? How about we give him a big kiss? Mwah. Gotcha. Uh-oh. No better.